Civil Site Design and Stringer users have the option of using pack mode, which will place a zipped copy of the data folder into the drawing, essentially making the drawing more portable. Here's how it works. Firstly, the pack mode toolset can be found for Civil Site Design users on the Data Manage ribbon. For Stringer Topo users, this can actually be found on the Stringer Topo ribbon under the Settings panel. This particular drawing is just a basic drawing where we have created a surface which could have either come from Civil Site Design or Stringer. As you can see here in Windows Explorer, we have a data folder sitting next to the DWG, operating as it would do in the traditional manner. If I now go up to the ribbon, and again this can either be via Data Manage or Stringer Topo, depending on what product we're using, I can go up to the panel pull down and click on Pack into DWG. Once I've done that, I will be prompted to basically confirm that pack mode is enabled. What has just happened is a copy of the data folder has been zipped and placed inside my DWG, and this is a snapshot of my project or my data set at this exact moment. As I continue to work, however, I am still operating with the data folder next to my drawing. As you can see in this screenshot, we have a backup of the data folder at that particular instance to ensure that if any corruption happened within Windows Explorer or your particular platform, we have a copy of your data folder just in case. Now if I go ahead and click on Save up on the Quick Access toolbar at the top, you can see that we've just run a regular save. However, what is happening in the background is that every time we click on Save, a snapshot of your data folder is being taken and placed inside your DWG. So with pack mode enabled, this process is continuous. Let's now have a look at what happens when I close the DWG. Because we may not have run a save for a while, we're prompted to pack the data folder into the DWG. So I'm going to say yes, I'd like that to happen. Pack mode is enabled, it's just confirming that. We're going to click OK. And we're going to say yes to save the drawing as well as enabling pack mode. Now if we have a look at the Windows Explorer here, you can see that we still have the data folder that we were operating with as we're working sitting next to the drawing. That can still be used when we come to open up the drawing. However, we will be prompted to overwrite it when we open up the drawing. So let's have a look. So we're going to open up the drawing survey.dwg. We'll be prompted to unpack the data. So the data folder that is sitting next to our DWG is now going to be overwritten by whatever was in our DWG. So we're going to say yes. The data has been unpacked. Now we can continue operating the software. An additional benefit to this is the fact that because the save process initiates pack mode in the background, I can also run a save as without having to do any management of the data folder. And to show you how this works, I'm going to click on Save As. You can see my drawing there, so we're going to call this survey-design and click on Save. Now normally we would expect you to take a copy of your data folder and rename it appropriately. However, if we now have a look at Windows Explorer, you can see here that we have a data folder automatically being created for us. Any pack drawing can also be renamed in Windows Explorer. So for example, if we did want to change survey-design to something else and we did that via Windows Explorer, the next time we open the drawing up in our CAD platform, the software will automatically unpack a renamed data folder for us. So to summarize pack into DWG, with it enabled or turned on, a copy of my data folder is always going to be placed inside my DWG each time I save or close or run a save as within my particular platform. If you want to disable pack mode on a drawing and revert it back to traditional functionality, you can do that using the following button. So on the Data Manage panel we have Remove DWG Pack, and for Stringer Topo users we have the Data Pack Settings pull down Remove DWG Pack. This will basically set the DWG back to its traditional functionality, operating with the data folder and not copying it into the DWG. There are some additional settings which will enable you to have a little bit more control over how pack mode will be operating within your particular DWG. So we're going to click on Data Pack Settings. This can also be found on the Data Manage ribbon. At the very top of the form, you're actually given some information about where your data folder, which is being used with the DWG, currently resides. Click on that text, you'll actually be opening up Windows Explorer and being taken straight to your data folder. Underneath, you can then choose to suppress any of the unpack messaging. If you are new to operating with pack mode, we do not recommend that you suppress the messaging, because the messaging can just be helpful to help you understand how pack mode is operating within your particular platform and how you use it. Once you're used to using it and understand how it operates, then certainly go ahead and suppress the messaging if you want. When Civil Site Design unpacks your data folder, it will unpack it next to your DWG. However, you can choose to have that location be a location of your choice. By default, we actually offer you one which is found at this particular location here. If you are opening drawings up from a cloud-based platform, obviously you can't unpack the data folder on that cloud-based platform at the same time. So this can be a really useful option by telling the DWG to open but unpacking locally on your C drive in a location of your choice. The backup of the data folder is recommended. It's important that you have any backup that you can of your data folder during the unpack process to make sure that no data is corrupted. Underneath, you can then choose to toggle on pack mode or toggle off pack mode whilst you're in the drawing. So at the moment, if I continue to operate as I would do normally, the pack mode will continue to happen as I save and as I close.